Prepositions of time. The prepositions of time are used for indicating time or when something takes place. At. We use at for the time of day, a definite period, meal time, festival, or group activities. Examples: first, my father will come back at 5:30 p.m. Second, we started our journey at dawn. Third, Ajay does not talk at breakfast. Fourth, she did not see me at the function. On. On is used for showing days and dates, festivals and days, or day followed by part of the day. Examples: first, I was born on 5th February. Second, the students will submit the project on Friday. Third, Prince will come on Sunday. Fourth, we usually go to the temple on Diwali. In. In is used for longer periods like months, seasons, years, or part of the day. Examples: first, I came to Delhi in 2007. Second, the Second World War began in 1939. Third, my birthday falls in February. Fourth, we shall not go anywhere in winter. Some more prepositions of time. Before. Examples: first, we should take our lunch before 2 p.m. Second, I shall reach there before the meeting. Third, I had returned home before it started to rain. By. Examples: first, I shall reach there by 20th January. Second, Kalpana returned from Washington by Tuesday. Third, we will have returned by 9 p.m. During. Examples: first, do not go outside during night. Second, I will sleep during the journey. For. Examples: first, may I borrow your pen for a week? Second, Pranav stayed there for 2 years. Third, we went to Mussoorie for a month. Fourth, Sunita went to the USA for 5 years. After. Examples: first, I feel bored after working at night. Second, she came home after office hours. Third, rest after finishing your homework. Fourth, he went to Delhi after his exam. Until. Examples: first, do not go until I return. Second, he watched the cartoon show until midnight. Note: till can also be used instead of until. Example: Ramesh watched the TV till 5 p.m. Since. First, she has been sleeping since 2 o'clock. Second, Tanmay has waited for the bus since 9 o'clock. Third, I have been living here since 1998. Fourth, I haven't met Madhu since last year. Between. Examples: first, the shop remains closed between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Second, a fight took place between the two sisters. Uses of compound prepositions. Inside. Turn the coat inside out before drying it. Outside. The outside of this house needs painting. Below. She tied her sari below the waist. Beneath. The boat sank beneath the waves. Without. You can't enter the hall without a ticket. Within. We should be back within an hour. Above. The plane is flying above the clouds. About. I don't know about him. Along. She walked along the road. Around. He travelled around the world. Beside. He is sitting beside me. Beyond. I can see beyond the river. Between. Ria is sitting between her friends. Behind. Seema is sitting behind the desk. Across. He swam across the river. Phrasal prepositions. These are prepositions that are used in particular combination of two or more words as according to, along with, because of, in place of, away from, by means of, in spite of, by reason of, in favor of, for the sake of, in order to, instead of, in regard to, in reference to, on account of, with regard to, in case of, in addition of, with an eye to, in comparison to, in or on behalf of. Some words are followed by particular prepositions. These words are not used alone without the particular preposition. Let us consider some such words. First, agree to. All the members agreed to the plan, used with a proposal. Second, agree with. We agree with you in that matter, used with a person. Third, agree on. We agree on that issue, used with something. Fourth, according to. You have to play according to the rules. Fifth, along with. Can you take this book along with this bag? Sixth, aim at. He aimed at the tiger. Seventh, beg of. I begged of him to stay. Eighth, believe in. I believe in that man. Ninth, blessed with. In his old age, he was blessed with a son. 10th, blind of. Being blind of an eye, he could not get a license. 11th, because of. Because of the strike, there will be no cab today. 12th, boasts of. He boasts of being the best cricketer in the team. 13th, care for. She does not care for you. 14th, close to. My residence is close to the school building. 15th, complained of. She complained of a mild headache. 16th, complained to. I complained to the teacher of the head boy's rudeness with me. 17th, complained against. I have already complained against the poem. 18th, cured of. The child has been cured of jaundice. 19th, die of. He died of cholera. 20th, duty to. We owe a duty to our country. 21st, die for. How many people can die for their country? 22nd, died from. An old man died from a fall.